Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to Vedantu's JE channel. How are you all? कैसे हैं सब लोग? तो यार आज मैं आप लोगों से बहुत ही हार्ट टू हार्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन करने आया हूँ एंड दैट टू कॉन्वर्जेशन इज कंसर्न्ड मोर टू स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव अटेम्प्टेड द जेई 2020 एग्जामिनेशन या तो जिन्होंने जनवरी या सितंबर के मंथ में जेई का एग्जाम दिया था इस साल। आज का कॉन्वर्जेशन उन लोगों के साथ में। ओके, सो हाउ वाज द जेई एग्जामिनेशन फॉर यू गाइस? ये क्वेश्चन तो आई एम श्योर एवरी अदर पर्सन मस्ट हैव आस्क्ड यू। मैं आपसे बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला हूं और वो कि आपने ये एग्जाम दिया था या नहीं दिया था। मीन्स व्हाट, वर यू अ स्टूडेंट हु did your 12th standard or took a drop and appeared for this examination this year or not? Yeah, obviously I don't want to judge you people and I will never judge you people because I am your master teacher. I am here and I have always been in this journey with you guys to help you out. And equally, I would say it has been my dream to see that all my lovely students make it through this examination. Okay, so guys, आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ में एक स्ट्रैटेजी डिस्कस करने वाला हूं और स्ट्रैटेजी से ज्यादा मैं आप लोगों को एक कॉन्फिडेंस देना चाहता हूं कि जेई 2020 जितना रोलर कोस्टर राइड रहा ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, उतना ही इजी हो सकता है टू अपियर फॉर जेई 2021 आफ्टर टेकिंग अ ड्रॉप। यस, यू हर्ड मी राइट। जितना ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट टाइम इस बैच ने देखा है, जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने इस एग्जामिनेशन में डिफिकल्टी फेस की, मे बी ड्यू टू एनी रीजंस, दिस नेक्स्ट attempt could be equally beneficial and easy on you guys. Okay, तो जेई 2020 अपेयर करने वाले सारे स्टूडेंट्स, we can see them broadly divided into two categories obviously. One who did well and got a very good rank. Congratulations to all those guys. But as I said, my conversation today is with people who unfortunately, because of any reason, maybe legitimate, maybe due to carelessness or whatever be the reason, if you guys are on the second zone or are in the second group, then I can say this session could be one of the most important and life changing session for you guys, so stay tuned for it. Okay, तो जितने लोग सेशन में नए हैं, मुझे नहीं जानते, let me start off with my introduction quickly here. Okay, so people, this is me, your Suri sir. I am a pass out of IIT Bombay, and on this channel you all call me Mogambo. Yes, you all are Mogambians. Okay, people. And if you are new to the channel, then definitely I want you people to subscribe to the channel right now and press the bell icon so that whenever Mogambo does any video, academic, non-academic, motivational, or informative, you get the notification like this one. Okay, people. Now, the whole agenda of this discussion is why should you take a drop for JEE 2021, right? So obviously discussion start hota hai with realizing what went wrong in JEE 2020. So the smart thing to do, or an engineer's approach to do whenever things don't go in the way you planned it to, is to analyze what went wrong. Okay, in fact I can say with me till date, if anything doesn't work the way I thought it should be, I always will sit down, clear my head, and think about the possible reasons why the thing did not work out. What went wrong? So, when I look at the analysis, my way of doing would be to write down n number of reasons that comes in my mind, say 10 reasons why I could not do well as much as I thought I will be. तो अगर मुझे 10 रीजंस लिखने हैं, मैं सिर्फ एग्जाम्पलीफाई कर रहा हूं पॉसिबली जो मेरे दिमाग में आए कि अगर जेई का एग्जाम मेरा अच्छा नहीं जाएगा तो पॉसिबली क्या क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं. ओके, ऑब्वियसली आई वांट यू पीपल टू हैव अ पेन एंड पेपर राइट नाउ विद यू and start thinking maybe a few of the reasons that I'm going to list here are your reasons as well. Okay, so let's do this exercise very genuinely, very religiously. Okay guys, तो पहला सबसे ज्यादा I would say more of a confession is I was careless. आई कैन से दैट इन आर स्टडीज इन जनरल बहुत बार चीजों का हमारे अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होना इज द रीजन ऑफ वी नॉट बीइंग as careful as it demanded us to be. So first reason is maybe I was careless. Okay. Second thing, possibly the reason is I did not solve many problems. As you know that JEE is a very problem oriented examination. It's a analytical examination. It doesn't demand you to memorize things. It only demands you to be able to solve the problems that you are eventually be put into. And obviously when you are thinking about getting into the best of the colleges, उन colleges से बन के जो engineers आप बन के निकलने वाले हो, आप ऐसे सेक्टर्स ऑफ लाइफ में जाके आगे इवेंचुअली काम करने वाले हो जहां पे यू विल बी facing a lot of real life situations, problems, whichever company, whichever sector that you'll be working in, you are the people who will be asked to do problem solvings, not on papers, guys, but real life problem solving. And for that, our analytical skill is going to be very useful. So if you were not able to figure this out properly, I think now you have that it was never about memorizing like you did in board examination. Maybe it was always about solving as many problems as you could. Yes, the MCQ problems I'm talking about. Okay. More reasons. I wasted time in other activities. बहुत बार होता है. In fact, I can say very clearly for those who attempted in JEE September month, since the time exam got postponed due to lockdown from April to May, from May to July, and then July to September, it could be one of the reasons that we got deviated from the thought that we all originally had. We always were prepared for April attempt, but after that, when it did not happen and it got postponed more than once, we started believing कि अभी एग्जाम होने वाला ही नहीं है, कोरोना की वजह से एग्जाम और ज्यादा पोस्टपोन होने वाला है. तो अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ जिसमें आपने अपनी एक्टिविटीज ही चेंज कर दी, आपका रेगुलर रूटीन चेंज हो गया, दैट कुड पॉसिबली वन ऑफ द रीजंस. या I'm sure many of the students who are watching this right now with an intent, I'm sure this could possibly a very big reason, right? Fourth one, there was no proper guidance. तो ये solution तो बहुत easily मिलने वाला है अब. If you did not have proper guidance, especially during the lockdown, guys, as I said, subscribe to the channel right now because you are going to get a lot of guidance from this channel for your JEE preparation and also for the drop. Stay tuned for it. Okay. Fifth one, I was only wishing and not working. So you know that God helps those who help themselves, right? तो अगर आप सिर्फ डे ड्रीमिंग कर रहे थे, बी ऑनेस्ट टू आवरसेल्व्स, राइट? लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट. अगर आप सिर्फ विश कर रहे थे कि आप एग्जाम क्लियर कर लो और उतनी मेहनत नहीं कर रहे थे, तो यार ऑब्वियसली रिजल्ट्स तो एक्स्ट्रावेगेंटली चेंज होने वाले नहीं थे, राइट? Next that I could think of is I didn't study with my full capacity. Again, this is something which will vary from person to person. हमें अंदर से मालूम होता है जब हम अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते हैं, जब हम अच्छे से किसी स्टडी आवर को यूज करते हैं, यूटिलाइज करते हैं. सो इफ यू वर नॉट ट्रू टू योर सेल्फ एंड यू वर सॉल्विंग, आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हो लेकिन साइमल्टेनियसली दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि इस बार आईपीएल क्यों नहीं हुआ. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल और मे. If you're solving physics question and you're still thinking about a concept from chemistry, a chemical reaction from chemistry, a derivation from mathematics, so obviously you are not studying with the full capacity. It demands you to have 100% attention and your focus when you're solving and studying a particular subject. You know that, right? Okay. Next one, I worked hard but not smart. Yes. Nobody asked you to work harder. Yes, definitely hard work is required, but if it is mixed with smart work, you can actually make wonders, you can do wonders, and you can actually get selected. And that's how many people who start late are still able to crack this examination, because they don't just work hard, they work smart. For example, targeting those chapters which are more important in terms of weightage is always a smart way of approaching. Last के एक महीने डेढ़ महीने में आप किस तरह से अपने आप को स्ट्रैटेजाइज कर रहे हो, ये सारी चीजें स्मार्ट वर्क का पार्ट होती हैं. हार्ड वर्क तो हर कोई करता है, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन, आई डेंट हैव प्रॉपर प्लानिंग. अगर ये रीजन है तो देर इज अ मेजर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ओवरहॉल, दैट यू नीड टू स्टार्ट अप्रोचिंग दिस एग्जामिनेशन डिफरेंटली कंपैरेटिव टू योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, आई वाज नॉट रियली इंटरेस्टेड. अगर ये है तो यार ये तो मैं बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ गाइस, you need to have a strong reason of you going after this. It had already taken more than 2 years of your life, if your reason, if your why is not very strong, you will never be able to bring the best out of you. So please ask yourself, why are you appearing for this examination? Why did you appear for this examination? And what is it that you are dreaming that will be fulfilled when you get into the best of the colleges of the country? So obviously, if you're not interested, you need to actually figure out what is your interest. Okay, if interest is engineering and getting into IIT, then you should have a very strong reason for it. If you're not interested, then please figure out what exactly is it that your heart wants, where exactly would you want to make your career into, and go for that. Yeah, I will never say that people should become engineer only. There are so many prosperous careers out there. Whatever your heart says, whichever stream entices you, you should go for it. Okay. I had health issues. When I say I had health issues, obviously इस phase में बहुत ज़्यादा medical emergencies हुए हैं. Maybe you had health issues or somebody in your family had health issues which can actually affect you mentally. If that has been the reason, then my entire support to you, my entire empathy to you, that if these were the reasons, especially the 10th one, then boy, you deserve another attempt and you should give another attempt. Okay, guys. Now, why should you take a drop for 2021 if not only these 10 reasons that I've listed, if you have had your own reasons? Obviously, I want you to tell me in the comment section what was your reason that you could not do well in JEE 2020 January or September attempt. But then, बात को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. चीजें गलत होती हैं पर हम उन्हें ठीक कर सकते हैं. तो अगर अंदर से वो जज्बा है, अभी भी वो एंथुजियाज्म है और अभी भी वो जिद है कि मुझे ये एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक करना है, तो व्हाई शुड यू टेक अ ड्रॉप, ये दिमाग में क्लियर होना बहुत जरूरी है. ऑब्वियसली आई वांट यू टू फिगर आउट दैट व्हाई do you want to take a drop for 2021. I will just give you more smarter reasons that why should you as a teacher. First, you know that none of the colleges, especially the best of the engineering colleges, be it IITs, be it NITs, BITS, or any colleges that we are talking about, they're not starting very soon. They're going to start in the next academic session. ये मेरा anticipation है. उससे पहले भी start होते हैं तो भी more or less academics को normalize होने में, normal routine को लौटने में आप expect करो कि next academic year आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So one of the reasons that you are not actually missing out on any of the syllabus which will happen in your college, not going to affect you in terms of time that you are investing here. Second one, when is the attempt for JEE 2021 going to happen? Obviously in the month of January. अगर सितंबर के मंथ में ये एग्जाम कंडक्ट किया है गवर्नमेंट ने, तो डेफिनेटली JEE 2021 के लिए तो अब ग्रीन सिग्नल है एंड एग्जाम इज गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड in the month of January, the JEE 2021 that I'm talking about. And very soon, I'm sure, maybe by October end or November, you're going to have the application process going on. Okay, guys. So I think 3 months are very short duration of time, or it's just an extension of the time that you guys have spent for appearing for this examination, right? And very important, and I from the bottom of my heart, I believe that one should not settle for anything less than what you think you deserve, right? मतलब अगर, जैसा मैंने कहा, अगर वो जो रीजंस हैं उनके अलावा भी आपके कोई और रीजंस हैं जिसकी वजह से आप जितना अच्छा कर सकते थे उतना नहीं कर पाए, तो आई थिंक यू शुड नॉट सेटल फॉर एनीथिंग less than what you deserve. If you are content with your own performance and you think you cannot bring any additional delta in your own performance, then maybe it's not advisable to go for a drop and settle for the college that you think you are already getting as per your own caliber. That's fine. But if you are a guy or a girl who can do better and you surely know that आप जितना अच्छा कर सकते थे उतना अच्छा आपने परफॉर्म नहीं किया है, so let's be realistic and let's not settle for it, because it's the question of our career. हम लोग हमारी पूरी लाइफ टाइम के करियर की बात कर रहे हैं, तो why should we settle for something that is not as per our own potential, and we can absolutely change it in next 3 months, right guys? Okay, now I want you people to write down the reasons of you why you should be taking a drop. As I said, मैंने मेरे रीजंस भी लिस्ट डाउन किए हैं. अगर मैं आपकी जगह होता तो क्या मेरे रीजंस होते ऐसी सिचुएशन में री अटेम्प्ट देने के. ओके, आई वांट यू पीपल टू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट व्हाई आर यू गोइंग टू टेक अ ड्रॉप, व्हाई आर यू गोइंग टू repeat and appear for JEE 2021 in the month of January? For me, the biggest of the three reasons is I always dreamt of studying in the best of the colleges of the country, and now after almost, it's been over 15 years that I went to IIT. I can very proudly say that it is worth doing that hard work. It is worth taking that suffering, if you call it. It is worth each and every second of investment that you guys do in the JEE preparation. Once you get inside those doors of IIT, your life will be changed. Okay. Also, I knew that I have the capability. I can make it to the IITs. So why should I not appear for it? Why should I not give it my best? Okay. लास्ट बट सर्टेनली नॉट द लीस्ट, हम कभी भी किसी भी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, किसी भी कॉम्पिटिशन के लिए जब प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो इट इज नॉट टू प्रूव इट टू अदर्स. ट्रस्ट मी, if you make it a point that you want to prove it to yourself, you believe in yourself and you want to prove it to yourself that you can do it, then yes guys, you will not require any other external motivation or anyone else to tell you. If you want to prove this to yourself that you can do it, okay, and obviously that will boost and elevate your own confidence level to a very, very, very great extent. Okay, so do tell me in the comment section what are your reasons, and after you are done writing your reasons of why you would want to take a drop, ask yourself on the basis of the points that you are writing, that are your reasons strong enough for you to take a call to take a drop? Are you determined enough to keep up the momentum that you built up? Right, these are the hard questions that obviously you'll have to ask. कि जितना मैंने मेहनत की है till the month of September, am I ready to continue with that momentum? Yes. Am I willing to learn from mistakes and not repeat the same pattern? Obviously guys, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, हमारी गलतियों से हमें सीखना और उन गलतियों को रिपीट ना करते हुए और ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट्स लेकर के आना. Okay? Am I willing to commit myself to the goal and follow through till the end no matter what? अगर वो जुनून है, अगर वो जोश है, that you are not going to give up, if you are ready to commit to this aim, then I don't think you need to look back. You can just keep going no matter how difficult it goes. Okay, and am I doing it for some other secondary reasons? अगर ये है तो definitely you are still confused in your own self. Last वाला point उन बच्चों के लिए ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है जिन्होंने अभी तक अपना खुद का रीज़न फिगर आउट नहीं किया है, दैट व्हाई they gave this much time to prepare for this examination. Again and again saying, it always starts with a why. That why are you preparing for this examination? Why do you want to get into the IITs? Why do you want to get into NITs? ये सारे questions का आंसर वहां से बहुत easily मिलता है when you know why are you preparing for this examination. That could be any reason. That could be getting a better lifestyle, that could be studying in the best of the colleges, that could be studying in the best foreign university after you're done with your graduation, that could be getting a good financial status for yourself and your family, that could be to get into the civil services, to do MBA, could be any reason guys, but please figure out a reason, and once that reason is a positive reason to prepare for JEE, go for this next attempt as well. Okay, now as I said, it has to be a very strong reason, and decide after a thorough thinking, and not just jump into the process because maybe your friends might be taking a drop, maybe this motivational session has boosted your confidence. I want you to understand that when you are going to take a drop, it's going to be you and that examination, nobody in between. So if you are ready to give it 100% and more than 100% if required, then definitely there is nobody who will be able to stop you in this process after that. Okay, and what next after that? If you are deciding after this, okay, then obviously you'll have to set a proper goal this time, realistic goal, not like मुझे पूरे questions attempt करने हैं, rather अपनी capabilities को पहचानते हुए मुझे select होना है, और selection clear होगा, selection ensure होगा तो मुझे rank improvement करना है. Okay, create a proper strategy and work routine, or stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to give you more solutions on that how can you create a proper strategy and work routine. Okay, be ready to sacrifice silly pleasures and distraction. I'm sure this is something which is not the case with most of the students who are going to take a drop, but if there is any, like right now IPL is going on, don't worry, IPL is not the first or the last time it is happening, so please try to extract yourself from all those distractions. and make sure to find ways to keep yourself interested and motivated throughout. I'm going to help you out with that, but obviously it requires you to be very, very, very regular as well as very genuinely interested in this entire preparation once again. Okay, so how can we help? How Vedantu is going to help you guys in this? So guys, we have a dedicated batch for the students who have decided to take a drop and appear for JEE 2021. That means this is almost the end of September month. We have October, November and December. मैं January भी count नहीं कर रहा हूँ because whichever number of days that you are going to get in the beginning of that month, that will be used only for attempting as many previous year papers as we can. Okay, तो guys, जो dedicated batch है वो वेदांतु platform पे है, not just on YouTube, because it requires you to be in presence of a teacher 24/7. There has to be a concrete plan of action and everything will be provided to you. What you require, as I said, you need a plan of action, you need constant guidance from your teachers, you need a test paper schedule and you need constant attempting of all those papers along with the analysis. और वो सारी चीजें available हैं guys in the JEE Droppers batch. So if you are interested and you have decided that you want to prepare for JEE, then one way in which I'm sure it can be made possible for us to bring our dreams into reality is by joining this special batch for people who have decided to take a drop for 2021 JEE. That is happening in the month of January and maybe later on in the month of April as well, depending upon what do you think, how many attempts you are still willing to go give it to make it to the best of the colleges. Okay guys, all you have to do is look for the link. What is the link, by the way? It is vdnt.in/ytpro. ये लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा, उस पर आप क्लिक करो और ये कूपन कोड आप याद रख सकते हो SMPro. When you use this, you will be able to enroll for this special batch where the best of the teachers who are masters of masters, who have made so many IIT selections possible in their career, they are going to be your master teachers in this. Okay, batch has already begun on 21st of September. How can you enroll, guys? Let me show it to you. If you were not able to see this, I think now you'll be able to see this. Okay, so guys, depending upon your requirement, as I said, this is the link, a droppers batch. With this code, batch has already started. All you have to do is go on the link which is available in the description, as I said, vdnt.in/ytpro. Select the grade that you are into. You will have to select 13th grade. Then click on get the subscription. Choose the subscription 1 month, 3 month or 6 month, and later on apply the code SMPro and click on enroll now. Okay guys, I hope things are clear to everyone. Okay, so guys, very simple strategy. All you have to do right now is not do the research, follow what your master teachers are telling you. And as you can see very clearly here, the fees is not very high. You can get additional discount. More than 20% discount will be available at your disposal if you go for this coupon code, depending upon what is your requirement. Okay guys, okay, so I want you people to tell me in the comment section that how many of you have decided to take a drop and how many of you are coming to these classes. We are going to make it possible. We are going to turn it around. I'm going to see you guys in the classroom, okay, with a mission that we have to turn our entire fate around. We have to be the people who are droppers to toppers. If people are ready for it, if you guys are ready for it, then guys, only one mission, एक ही चीज दिमाग में रखनी है कि हमें ड्रॉप लेना है और टॉपर्स बनना है. Okay, we don't have to settle for anything that is less than what we deserve, less than our any or something which is less than your own potential. I don't want you people to settle for that. Okay, so on that note, I wish you all best of luck for this examination. I'm here. I will keep on doing these videos, more of these videos, to be with you guys, to keep you motivated enough to continue this journey. Just a matter of 3 more months, and I'll see you guys on the other side of this road. Okay, people? So all the best. See you in the classroom. Take care. Bye-bye.